Hi, I'm Katie McMurray. 23 years ago, I quit my office job in management to become an entrepreneur, and I've never looked back. I love it. My videos are for teaching, not showcasing me, so I use words and slideshows, two things I feel will help you better learn. I've written for hire, created blogs and websites, content, and designed over 600 online web pages for revenue sharing sites. Honestly, I've lost count. This is my office where I work on my back deck. Over the course of my career, I've slowly eliminated people and tasks that did not add value to my journey, my mission, my goals, things that got in the way. And a lot of people have trouble doing that. So I'm on a quest to build a community of those who want to take their life back and live the life they believe to their core they are meant to enjoy, but have yet to figure out how to do so. The name of my mission is meant to attract only those who believe to their core they are meant for more, those who want to uncover, nurture, and empower their unique gifts and talents. No matter what your desires, gifts, and talents, success is a road traveled by anyone prepared to live their truth. I'm merely a guide sharing the directions I know will get you there. This book contains much more than how to say no. I consider it the playbook, the jumping off point for taking your life back, taking your time back, refocusing on you, figuring out what you want, what your gifts and talents are, all the things holding you back, and conquer your life. I'll be creating more videos, sharing what I know works, and tons of free online tools. I look forward to watching you accomplish you. Welcome to the community.